everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, well over the next 2 days actually, I am going to be doing 24-hour post-lockdown glow up, and this just consists of a few things that I do to make myself feel better about myself. This video is a little bit messy, but I will explain why later on in the video. So if you would like to see how I go from this to this, then please keep watching. So firstly, I start off with a hair mask. I'm going to use this banana hair mask that I have included in a few of my other videos. This is just really nice to soften your hair. I thought it was just nice to leave that on for an hour before I wash my hair so that it feels extra soft. I've just gone in with these eyebrow trimmers to shave my eyebrows, kind of like shave the tails off and shape them. And then after my shower, I'm going to dye my eyebrows, so you know, I was just shaping them beforehand. I have been growing my eyebrows out most of lockdown, but I thought the thick eyebrow didn't really suit my face, so I've kind of gone back to shaving the tails off again for that more like arched foxy eye kind of look. So I have just had a shower, washed my hair, washed out the hair mask, and I have done a full body scrub in the shower as well, and then put lotion all over my body to just prepare my skin for the fake tan later. And now I'm going to use this dye brow, so I'm going to dye the eyebrows that I have. So I'm going to brush them up using the spoolie, use a little angled brush and brush the dye through. So I'm just removing the eyebrow product here just with a wet wipe. They weren't that pigmented because I didn't have a lot of eyebrow for them to stick onto. And then I am washing my face with this micellar gel rose water. This is just really soft and gentle and it's not too drying, so I really like this one. I am also using an Origins face mask. I'm going to use two today because I'm going to use this charcoal one for the parts of my face that have deeper pores, and then I'm going to use the moisturising hydrating one for the rest of my face. I've talked about these face masks in a few other videos as well and I really like them. And then I'm going to just moisturise with my Nivea moisturising cream. And then I'm going to use this Bondi Sands self tanning foam in dark, and I leave it for 8 hours about, and to do my back I just stick a wooden spoon into the mitt, and then I use a brush to brush over the areas where the tan's more likely to stick to. This just blends it out a bit better. So after washing the tan off, this is actually the next day now, and I'm just going to start off the second day by washing my face the same way I did the day before. I washed the tan off in the evening and then slept in it. It developed a little bit more and then showered again the next morning. Today I have showered, not washed my hair because I washed it yesterday, shaved everything, done my skincare, and now I'm doing my makeup, which is why I feel a lot more comfortable talking to the camera. You may have noticed that in the first half of this video, so the things I filmed yesterday, I'm trying to avoid my face being in the video, and I'm doing a voiceover and things because I just feel really self-conscious being on camera without makeup on. The second half of this video will be a lot longer as I've got a bit of makeup on now. I'm doing my makeup and I feel like there are still some things I've got left to do. So I've got a parcel coming later. I've got some teeth whitening strips, so I'm really excited to try those. I've got a nail polish, so I'm going to paint my nails. I'm going to obviously finish my makeup, do my hair, choose an outfit. So yeah, I've just done my base, I've contoured, just put some blush on. Still need to do my brows, but I'm going to use some highlighter now. Hopefully one day I can film like a 24-hour glow up video that's a lot more detailed, and you know, I can go into more detail of each thing. So I've just finished my makeup now. I've gone for this like bronzy goldy kind of look. I'm going to do my hair next. I think I'm just going to straighten it. I don't think I'm going to curl it. The lashes I have on are the ones I always wear, the Indigo Rose Beauty lashes. These are the ones in Lotus because they're quite natural but still like fluttery and full. Then I'm going to just straighten my hair really quickly after using a heat protectant spray. This is the outfit I chose. So I got this skirt from Pretty Little Thing and I just paired it with a white t-shirt because it was quite casual. And then I painted my nails with this teal blue colour. I think it's called Roll in the Grass, and it's a Rimmel one. And I just put 2 coats of that on. The second to last thing I'm going to do is use these teeth whitening strips. Now I don't know if they're really going to make a difference, but I think it's worth a try, and I've been very excited to use these. I found these online as one of the best drugstore whitening strips, so hopefully they work. These are the $1 Billion Smile ones. These you can leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. Probably do the longer option. So it says to firstly just brush your teeth with water. So I have just brushed my teeth, but I'll just go over them with water anyway. So I've also used my water flosser. This like kind of squirts water really powerfully. Kind of flosses in between your teeth, so you don't have to use like a floss string. So I have had these on for 30 minutes now, and I don't think there's a really big difference, but apparently you've got to use them for like a week or 2 anyway. Oh my god, there's so much like gel on there. There's so much gel on my teeth. I didn't think I could see a difference, but I think I can see a tiny difference. They just look like cleaner. I don't think you're meant to get immediate results anyway. You're meant to have consistency, and you can see after a while. So I'll probably keep using those and see how my teeth look. So for the last part of my glow up, I have got this Too Faced, it's like a body shimmer. So instead of like putting highlighter all over your body, you get this, and it also smells of gingerbread and tastes of gingerbread. It's literally called Kissable Body Shimmer because you can literally eat it, and it comes with this really cute little pink puff. Get this beautiful like golden shimmer, and you just rub it all over yourself. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, I can literally taste it, you know, like ice and sugar, and you put it in a bowl and it like tastes like that. And that is all done, and I am finished. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different, more of a vloggy style. I would like to do this more of an organised 24-hour glow up. This video was a little bit messy, but like I said, there are some confidence issues that I need to get over before I do that. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and I love watching these on YouTube, so I hope this was interesting enough. And please like if you enjoyed, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you very much. Bye!